Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today's video will be about inventory source. Inventory source is a comprehensive inventory management and dropshipping platform that aims to streamline the process of running an online store. It provides a range of services and features designed to assist businesses in effectively managing their inventory, automating orders, fulfillment, and sourcing products from various suppliers. So how to get started? You click on get started, of course. So you need the first and the last name, the email, and you can create a password here. It's a bad technique I use. Inventory source. Tell us about yourself. I am currently a person, retailer, supplier, consultant. Next. Company name, company brand, and phone number, and current average order per month 0. I'm not selling. Let's go. This is your dashboard. Now complete your profile. Completed. Now find your supplier. You can browse suppliers categories from big companies to small companies. You can ask them to be your supplier and you can start your drop shipping business. So you can search by category, catalog, they allows drop shipping or not. So minimum order, no minimum or maximum, or 500 plus 500,000. No, just $500. So it ships from, you choose the country, so the shipping won't be much for you. Let's try Morocco. None. Yes, I know it. Ship to. Doesn't matter, right? I can't either put. Hey, I mean, refresh. How? Let's just get this and re-put it. So you can use supplier catalog to add or delete. So here we have the most popular and the verified ones, and you can add what do you want. Choose your automation plan. So select supplier, select channel, and you will be this account will be the link between them. You can choose automation plan after you choose the supplier and the channel. Next, you can start selling. That's it. 4 steps in 1 minute 30 seconds. For the overview, 5 minutes for the supplier directory, 2 minutes for the catalog manager overview, 2 minutes and a half for the order manager overview. That's it. You can do it in simple time. So this is the first time I see a customer support service on the left. This might be a little disturbing. So let us know if you have any question. What can I help you with? Billing, change plan, integration, order management, supplier, or getting started. So the integrations are okay. You can't access the integrations until you complete this, I think. Powerful automation tools. Yeah. Here we have the order manager. That's the thing where you will have to pay. So we have the basic, the plus, the power seller. If you want more money. So you will have to add one of the plans, and one of the notable aspects of inventory source is its vast supplier network. Like we saw, the platform connects users with a wide range of reliable and vetted suppliers, allowing businesses to access a diverse selection of product sales. This extensive supplier networks helps users find quality products that align with their niche or target market. And we have furthermore, inventory source provides an array of useful tools and resources to aid in product sourcing and market searching. These tools help businesses identify profitable products, analyze competition, and stay updated to the market trends. So the platform also offers educational resource and support to help users maximize their success in the world of dropshipping and e-commerce. So like you see here in term of pricing, inventory source operated on subscription-based model with different tiers. Pricing structure may not be suitable for small businesses because of the high price and others who just have started out, and the cost can add up, especially when considering the additional expense associated with dropshipping. So you can contact the company, select one of the team, sales team, they have multiple teams. So here to complete your profile, and here to edit your account, we have the company name, first name, the last name, the primary phone, the alternate phone. You click on update when you are done. Here we have the billing information, the name on the card, the number on the card, the CVC, the date of expire and the year, and the postal code. So here we have the notifications. You can delete notifications. And we have here the current plan, integration included, and this is the free plan, I think. No, oh, I didn't see $99 per month. It's the basic. So I think I already signed up for a plan that I don't know about. Okay, this was quick. So overall, inventory source is a reliable and future-rich platform for managing inventory and dropshipping. It offers a comprehensive suite of tools and services to streamline operations, automate processes, and connect businesses with a wide range of suppliers. While there are some areas that could be involved, inventory source remain available resource for e-commerce entrepreneurs looking to optimize their inventory, manage and grow their online store. So that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.